baseball, hitting balls with bats. Why do old women really like cats? Thing about cats, they like to wear hats. Somebody call Dr. Seuss up on the track.
Eggs and ham, yaks and yam. I got stuck in a traffic jam. Big Macs, cats and hats. I wanna bend over the Lorax.
Cut it down a tree to leave a stump in the ground. Turning his little orange ass around. Sticking my thumb where the sun don't shine. Let's give Zach the mic this one time.
Bro's getting high like F-35s. What you doing? Rap it on IG Live. Oh wait, I'm still going. You tell me I'm still on this flow? Well, I'm about to go through it like a baby with snow.
Yeah, Zach, you were still going. That Lorax's ass is what I will be mowing. Bending him over on that stump tree. Fucking him until his ass turned green.